Here we discuss about looping in C programming. What is looping? Looping is a sequence of statements that are executed until some conditions for termination of the loop are satisfied. A program loop therefore consists of two segments, one known as the body of the loop and other known as the control statement. The control statement tests certain conditions and then direct the repeated execution of the statements contained in the body of the loop. The in C language provides mainly this type of looping in their programming. Here we see the syntax of while loop and do while loop. This is the syntax of while loop. In while loop, while is an entry control loop statement. The test condition is evaluated, and if the condition is true, then the body of the loop is executed. After execution of the body, the test condition is once again evaluated, and if it is true, the body is executed once again. This process of repeated execution of the body continued until the test condition finally become false and the control is transferred out of the loop. Then go to then see do while loop. This is the syntax of do while loop. In do while loop constructs that we have discussed in the previous section make a test of condition before the loop is executed. Therefore, the body of the loop may not be executed at all if the condition is not satisfied at the very first attempt. On some occasion, it might be necessary to execute the body of the loop before the test is performed. Such situation can be handled with the help of the do statement. This is the form of do while condition. On reaching the do statement, the program proceeds to evaluate the body of the loop first. At the end of the loop, the test condition in the while statement is evaluated. If the condition is true, the program continues to evaluate the body of the loop once again. This process continues as long as the condition is true. When the condition becomes false, the loop will be terminated and the control goes to the statement that appears immediately after the while statement. This is the syntax of for loop. In for loop is another type of control loop that provides a more concise loop control structure. This is the general form of for loop. There is a initialization of the control variable is done first using assignment statement. Suppose I equal to 1 and its count is 0. The variable I and count are known as the loop control variables. Then value of the control variable is tested using the test condition. Using the test condition, the test condition is a relational expression such as suppose I less than 10 that determines when the loop will exit. If the condition is true, the body of the loop is executed. Otherwise, the loop is terminated and the execution continues with the statement that immediately follows the loop. When the body of the loop is executed, the control is transferred back to the first statement after evaluating the first statement in the loop. Now, control variable is incremented by using an assignment operator such as I equal to I plus 1, and the new value of the control variable is again tested to see whether it is satisfied the loop condition. If the condition is satisfied, the body of the loop is again executed. This process continues till the value of the control variable fails to satisfy the test condition. Next is nested for loop. In nested for loop, there are two for loops. One for loop is in the another for loop. That is, it is the nested means this is the meaning of nested for loop. Now we see while loop program using while loop program with an example. This is the header file include std.h and main function, which is the beginning of his C program. There is a integer data type. Suppose I equal to 1. While now we matches the condition using a while condition. While x less than equal to 10, if x less than equal to 10, then it will print I. Then increment the value of I. Again this loop will continue until the value of x is less than 10, less than equal to 10. There is another example using do while loop. Again we have taken I integer data type variable, that is I equal to 1. Integer data type I is a constant value, I equal to 1. We initialize do while condition. We applying the do while condition. Between the do while condition, we check. We first of all we have to print the value of I, then increment the value of I, and it will check. Then it will go to the while condition to check the value of I. If it is satisfied, then it will again. Again go to the print statement, and the loop is continued until values of I less than equal to 10. There are another example of for loop. This is a variable of integer data type declared as I. There is a for loop. In first initialize value of I equal to 1, and this is the condition. Matches the condition of I less than equal to 10 and I plus plus, that is increment the value of I. If value of I is 1, that then now matches the condition. I1 is less than equal to 10. It matches the condition. Then it will go to the print statement and print the value of I. Then after printing the value, it will increment the value of I, that is I plus plus means I equal to I plus 1, that means value of I will be incremented by 1. Now value of I is 2. Now it will come to again to match the condition to now value of I is 2 less than equal to 10. It matches the condition and it will print the value of I.